Sabaydi, hello everybody. Today I gonna make some vegetable salad. The vegetable salad, this one is the Lao they call pak bong. In English, I think is the water spinach or something like that. And the first thing, I gonna cut this one, okay? See, a lot. And I'm gonna grab like one bunch. Gonna cut out like this. All the small leaf, take it out. You know, take it out all. After that, you have to cut in the middle like this, long slice like this, and cut half. Because this one is really take time to do, and if you like high tempo, you cannot do it because it's really patient on this one because it's small and thin. That's how I do all the time. You have to be patient a little bit, okay? Sometimes you can cut like this, but I don't like that way. It's not when you mix with all kind of vegetable, it's not good. I like to do like this small. You can use when you do like this, if you don't have this one, you can use the broccoli, long bean, all kind of vegetable, the eggplant, all those you mix. You have sometimes you make with the mushroom, all those things. It's fine, you know. This one is sometimes you don't have this one, but if you want exactly what I do, and you have to go to Asian market, they have it in Sacramento or Bay Area, okay? Sometimes if you don't cut the long like this, you can cut like this, more easy, but slice very thin, okay? Remember the bad one, take it out. See? You gotta be, and when you put in the water, this one gonna be curly like that. Okay? And continue do this more because I need more. This one is the I got request from my life, my way, okay? Because I do this video for her because she wanna know how I make this. See, some is the bad, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean later on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna continue to do this until enough vegetable. Then I'm gonna clean. Then after that, I'm gonna cook this one a little bit. Okay? I'm gonna peel some ginger. Okay. This one, the ginger. I'm gonna take out all the skin. Slice. That's enough for ginger. Add a red onion, the small onion. You can get one piece, okay? You don't have to get enough, or you don't have to get them all because it's a lot already. This one just with slice. Cilantro. Lemon, lime, key lime, whatever you like to use, okay? Maybe I cut the 2 pieces first. Maybe enough meat. You can take a leaf like this, but I'm gonna cut a big one. Not too small like that. Okay. So this is meat. That's all the ingredient vegetable I'm gonna add to the salad. Now I'm gonna cook some vegetable. This one I slice really thin. Then I clean everything already. Now you don't have to put salt anything, okay? Just plain water. And after that, I'm gonna add to the pot like this. Not too long, okay? About 2-3 minutes, not more than that. Flip over, okay? Flip back and forth until the vegetable a little bit cooked. Was good. Oh my god, you guys, you have a sticky rice and this one vegetable salad. Heaven. It's really good. I want all my friends near me. I want to share my food to everybody. I love to cook, you guys. I love to cook. See? I'm gonna turn off the heat. See? Put in the cold water. Why you put in the cold water? Because you want the vegetable stay green, you know? More sesame is more better. I love sesame. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, check on the vegetable. If not enough cold water, you can add more cold water, but I think it's okay. I'm gonna drain the water out like this. Take it out. Cook until the sesame golden brown, okay? It's done. When it's done, I turn off the heat. Then I add to here. It's gonna smash them, okay? See? Take out from here. Okay, now I'm gonna add some garlic to the mortar, and the chili, I don't know how much you want, but I add like 3, 4, 5. I add 6 pepper. Okay, and after that the ginger. I like a lot of ginger. I add a lot, maybe 10 slice. Smash. This one kind of a little bit long. See that? Cut, okay? Cut half like this. Kind of too cooked, this one. Sorry, because I say not too cooked, but it's too cooked. Add all the whatever I smash chili into the vegetable. Some 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, half teaspoon of salt, okay? Half teaspoon. Add a little bit MSG. If you don't like MSG, you don't have to, okay? Add sugar. Teaspoon each. Some lamb. I like a little bit sour. I add 2 pieces. And mix like this. Not too hard, okay? Massage them a little bit, not too hard. Like this. Taste a little bit because I don't know how it tastes, because too spicy or less spicy, or too salty or not salty. Oh my god, perfect, you guys. I add some red onion, the small onion. Break. This one is really easy to make, and it's really easy, not too hard, okay? And cilantro. This one last, rice powder. Rice powder, it smells so good. See, it's done. Made. Okay, sesame seed. I add 4 teaspoons sesame seed. Water spinach. I'm gonna make a plate. That's all for the water spinach salad, and really easy to make. Follow my video, and really easy and quickly. If whoever eat a vegetarian is really good for this, okay? Really yummy. Alright guys, follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video. Have a good night. Bye bye.